I am looking at those little ripe tomatoes this morning. I'm going to reach in here. This is going to be my first tomato harvest. Oh, welcome back to my channel. I have my coffee here. This is Dina with Start With Coffee Adventures. And although I did just pick those tomatoes out of my garden, my daughter and I are heading on a road trip. So the rest of this video will be kind of like a travel vlog. Oh, look at this over here. I'm enjoying the garden this morning. It rained so hard, and apparently that's exactly what this flower needed, and it bloomed. It did not look like that last night when I went to bed. It's time to hit the road. Look at that beautiful sky. And there is no traffic. We are heading from Michigan down through Ohio, and our end destination is Kentucky. Aren't those white fluffy cows just beautiful? We're almost to our destination, but we decided to stop for lunch. Actually, we're gonna have breakfast for lunch. I'm not sure if that 55 plus is for age or is that a route number. They have a rewards program called Bank of Pancakes, and for every $5 you spend, you get a pan coin. This is why we like to get breakfast for lunch, get some coffee, look at all the food.
We had to make a pit stop, so we chose Ihop, and this one had a coffee bar, which I love.
I definitely recommend stopping at exit 59 if you're traveling south on Route 75 through Ohio. There was at least a dozen or more restaurants to choose from. There were gas stations and hotels. It was a fantastic place to stop. There was even a Goodwill if you wanted to do a little thrifting. We're back up on the highway, and as we come through this underpass on the left, you'll see the city of Dayton, Ohio. Here's a better look at Dayton. We made it to Kentucky, and as you can see, it looks so different. So many trees, and there's hills. We still have this beautiful blue sky with the white fluffy clouds, and there's still hardly any traffic. This is the hotel that we're going to be staying at for the next few days. A beautiful lobby area with lots of seating. There's a gym area and a pool. Here is a quick tour of our room. There's a kitchenette, a closet to the left, a desk under the counter there, a couch, the bedroom, and the bathroom. The hotel had this lovely outdoor seating area. It included a fire pit and grills and just lots of places to sit and hang out. On our way to Louisville, Kentucky to get something for dinner. Our hotel was about 10 miles outside the city of Louisville. There is plenty of public parking downtown, and it's a very walkable city. Fourth Street Live is definitely a destination when touring the city. Underneath the covered atrium is a lot of restaurants, so many to choose from. I thought it was funny that there was a post office right next to TGI Fridays. Guy Fieri's Smokehouse is where we decided to do happy hour. We tried the brisket and coleslaw. This beautiful old building is where the spaghetti factory is located. As you walk around the city, you'll see so many beautiful old buildings. I just enjoyed the architecture. Make sure to go visit Whiskey Row. It's located on Main Street. If you notice, it's just the fronts of the building being held up. There were lots of scooters available, and on lots of the buildings was interesting tidbits of history. This is the Kfc Yum Center. It's an indoor arena that hosts concerts and the University of Kentucky basketball teams. This building and the one next to it is the Actors Theater of Louisville. There were lots of murals all over the city. The Galt House is a big, beautiful hotel in the downtown area. This is the Kentucky Center for the Performing Arts. I just love the design of the buildings. The only way I could show you this golden statue was to make sure the red light was perfectly placed. We decided to go back to the spaghetti factory for dinner. There were so many elegant features of this restaurant, and we got to eat inside of the train car. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Louisville, Kentucky. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.